Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer and choose your contact list. Now let's tap on the one you want to edit and click on this pencil icon. Now let's tap on the camera icon right here, and now we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me choose a photo. Let's choose our gallery. What's more, you can choose the Google Photos, but I will stick with the gallery. Let's tap on the one you want to use, and now we have to decide where we want to crop the photo, so we can crop it using Google Photos or our own gallery. So let me pick, for example, Google Photos, and as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. What's more, we can change the angle of the picture. It's really up to you how you want to set it. So if you're happy with the results, tap on Done right here, and remember to tap on Save. And as you can see, the picture has been applied. Let's get back. It is also visible on our contact list, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls or while texting with that number. So that's all. This is how to personalize the contact in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.